morning, teacher. My name is Milena Ardila Sandoval. American crime starts. In the article read, it is evident that the policeman whom I identified in Article 1 was helping dead which was man lives with dark dogs of suicide in his mid who appeared to be in his 30s. As his physical appearance is tall with an elongated narrow face and thick black edged brows. He goes to a bridge. The commit suicide all night, but his attempt is thwarted by a policeman. He later goes to a psychiatrist and tells him about his suicidal instincts. He then goes to a doctor to get his stomach pumped after claiming to have taken 20 sleeping pills. Finally, it is known that the father Edward Mars killed him in revenge for Edward having killed his own wife when he wanted to divorce him, pretending that his wife's death had been an accident. Article 2. In a whole Victorian house, two siblings, Celia and Charlie, live in mourning as if time had stood still for 20 years. Age. Charlie with Jessie was found dead at the bottom of the stairs. Although the inquest found Celia not guilty, Charlie and almost everyone in town assumed that Celia's wife, Jessie, is dead, and almost everyone in town was somehow possessive of her little brother. The family later goes to visit them on Christmas Eve, the day of the deed, when everything is repeated as if it had just happened, even 20 years age, as if it had just happened even 20 years later. The two siblings have inherited a spiral of mandates. The tower keeper assuming that his house will have no solution until both brothers die, because time does not fix any time in the sex. This article is about Ameni Lucelli arrives at the Eloise year 6. She arrives from another house in New York after his doctor and psychiatrist recommended her go to a new place to start from scratch for her mother, who had been ill 4 years before she did 3 weeks age. Before she did 3 weeks earlier, the many who seems to be very concerned about won't ever be working for free if they let her stay. Shows herself to be if they her lighted the house on fire the house with a can of gasoline, supposedly in order to get inside the children and earn money, to get inside the children and gain the respect and appreciation of the family. We say that in some way mental problems, because in addition to some problem of esteem that makes him seek acceptance, he is a pirate that makes him look for acceptance. She is a pyromaniac, so that until she sailed in the house of the she did not dare to light a match to smoke because she could not see the fight. Goodbye, teacher.